Hi guys, I'm Ramsey Alan. Today I'm here specifically for those who have been hitting my inbox, asking me some questions. For example, hi Ramsey Alan, how can we monetize our accounts? I am at 5.5k followers, I'm at 7,000 followers, I'm at 10,000 followers, but I've not monetized my account. So today I have the core requirements in order to monetize your Facebook accounts. So I have only four. They are the requirement number one. We have the account setup. You must turn your personal profile into a professional mode. Yes, that is the first requirement. If that cannot happen to you, so you have decided, no, I'll not turn my personal profile into my professional mode, you must create a dedicated page. You must create a page. So the procedure on creating a page, I'll do later maybe, but you should create a page. If you don't want to turn your personal profile into a professional mode, you should register a page. Creating a page is simple. I'll do that next time. So that is it. The requirement number two, the second requirement is the age limit, of which I'm so sure that each and every person who is on Facebook is 18 plus. So that is not bordering. Number three is the location, of which if you are in Kenya, you are eligible. If you are in Kenya, that is eligible. So I'll not talk about that so much. So number four, that's the requirement number four, and the last one, that is the policy compliance. The Facebook policy compliance. The content that you are creating, whatever you are doing, should go in line with Facebook community guidelines and standards. So this goes in line with whatever you are doing. You should do the original content. When I say the original content, I mean you should record yourself. That is it. Kama si kurecord, I don't know if you do. Other people are not recording themselves. They are doing the AI videos. So they are generating their original content. That is it. So, and you know the other expenses for the AI content. So you should register, you should record yourself, maybe dancing, doing this, talking, educating people, and whatever you do, imagine. That is it. Record yourself and then post. Don't take someone else's video. Don't upload someone else's video. Una download huku, unaleta huku. That is a very big problem that you are creating to your page. Utaamuka asubuhi, your page will not be there. Okay, so that is it. And you know the pain of losing your account or a page, especially a monetized one. If you mean my PT, I know the pain. So record yourself. Create the original content created by you. Avoid copyright. When someone claims for copyright, my friend, you will not like it. You'll be monetized, but the payment will be suspended. So maybe that is the penalty you can get. That is the thing, free from copyright. Another thing, that the content you are creating should not be misleading. Don't mislead people. Usidanganye, no. Create the content that whatever you are explaining on your topic and whatever you are saying should appear legal. Don't mislead people. Kuna vitu kama vile nudity should not appear on Facebook if you want the safety of your content. So guys, that is it for today. Do whatever I've told you. It is simple. If you want anything, please hit my inbox. I'll do as your request. So have a nice time.